Hi guys! Welcome back to a new vlog. So for today, lalabas tayo and pupunta tayo sa isang lugar to have dinner. Also, kakain tayo doon. And let's see kung ano pa yung mga magagawa natin doon. Time check right now, it's currently 5 p.m. in the afternoon. And it's currently raining here in Thailand, no? Parang may monsoon season din dito sa Thailand. So, ayun. Andito pala ako ngayon sa lobby nakaupo and inaantay lang natin yung sasakyan natin. Why? Why are you hiding? So guys, we already made it here inside the car and we are bound to our destination. This is the car. Stella, I'm trying to feel your love. So, nakababa na tayo ng car and dito na tayo sa destination natin, which is Stella. Surprise. What floor? 29?
29.
So we are going up to the 29th floor. All of me. TULUM.
If I had that, then you're keeping.
We arrived here at TULUM. It's a rooftop restaurant bar here in Thailand. Look at that. That's it. So we are now settled and I'm looking so red right now. So guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa TULUM and ito, I'm looking so red right now because of the light and maganda yung vibes dito, very chill. Ayan, kita nyo ba yan? Napakalaki ng mukha. So, ito yung menu. Order na lang tayo dito. Ayan. Pasaya.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's drizzling a bit. And I can even smell a smoke. So right now guys, let's check the menu.
It starts with the beverage menu, about 20 pages,
And order something.
and then the food.
Yep. And yun. TULUM.
เมื่อก่อนพอถ้าทำจากที่บ้านแล้วมันจะมีช่วงเวลาที่ว่างมากนั่นเหมือนเราเป็นฝ่ายกลางด้วยแต่ถ้าเราเองมีความรักมันมีความเป็นที่
These are all wines.
เขาตกมาได้ทำงานแล้ว
So guys, panalangin natin na wag umulan kasi umuulan ngayon dito, and this restaurant is a rooftop restaurant, so open area siya, no? Sana wag umulan.
Other different styles also what you can offer. Like you have tacos, you have anything, quesadillas, but you don't have like a platter for two.
เพราะว่าคนอยากแต่งตัว
So I need to select one. Yeah.
Thanks.
75
Okay guys, so dumating na yung Virgin Lychee Mojito. It's a virgin one.
Fried.
So guys, dumating na yung pagkain natin. Let's try to taste this.
I have the double look. But they fit that
This one is good. We also have calamari here.
They make the camera like this, and
But this camera is so clear. DJI. Why are you hiding? It's fine. You don't need to hide.
Thank you.
That was fun. Oh, he plays another instrument. Yun nga. Perfect. That was perfect. Crumbling. Ice cream and churros. Okay guys, tapos na tayo mag-dinner and now bababa na tayo going home to our hotel. We finally made it here down sa lobby and we are just waiting for our ride going back to our hotel. So it was such a nice experience and kung pupunta kayo dito, it must a must-try visit here in Thailand. So masaya siya and make sure na pumunta kayo ng kasama niyo yung friends niyo. It's TULUM guys. It's TULUM inside this building. And I was able to use the mic earlier kasi malakas yung tugtog doon. So all good. TULUM inside this Stella. It's a good experience. Where are you going again?
Other side.
And that's it guys. We successfully made it back here sa hotel. And aakyat na tayo magpapahinga. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa video ito. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!